At LMI, we are excited to be able to provide our automotive partners with cutting-edge gap and flush measurement capabilities. For the configuration seen here, we are using one downward-facing, ultra-wide field of view Gocator 2490 to determine the 6 degrees of freedom of the vehicle. That information is then relayed to a KUKA robot arm, allowing our buddied Blue Line Gocator 2440s to make detailed gap and flush measurements. Buddied sensors are networked to automatically generate a single, high-accuracy 3D scan of the target. This configuration also solves for any potential occlusions on the scanned target. Scanning and inspection happens continuously and with no external computing required, all while the vehicle moves down the assembly line. Our Blue Line laser sensors are specifically designed to measure shiny or specular surfaces. This makes them especially suited for gap and flush measurements. Measuring surfaces like headlights, windows, and glossy white or black paint can be a challenge for traditional red line laser sensors. Red line laser sensors work better on lower reflectivity or matte surfaces, particularly on fast-moving targets. However, for specular or shiny surfaces, the red laser light becomes distorted, resulting in a speckle effect. In contrast, the shorter wavelength of the blue laser sensor produces much less speckling, resulting in lower noise levels, typically by a factor of 2 to 3 compared to red laser sensors. Using 2 networked blue laser sensors allows the client to scan deeper into the gap, generating more complete and precise measurement data. The process of combining and aligning multiple sensors is simple with our built-in alignment procedure. With the combined 3D point cloud dataset, we can now do our gap and flush measurements on the sensor in real time. Depending on the surface quality, our system can capture up to 60 measurement points per minute, taking 0.5 to 1 second per measurement point, including evaluation. These scans are extremely detailed, measuring not only gap distance to the 1/10 of a millimeter, but also the shape, smoothness, and curvature of the surface. With this data, many measurements, including calculations and pass-fail decisions, are made, allowing for a high level of quality assurance. Every Gocator sensor leaves our factory after undergoing rigorous factory calibration, assuring accurate measurements directly out of the box. Our sensors are compatible with many major robot brands, including Universal Robots, Yaskawa, KUKA, Kawasaki, Fanuc, and ABB. Hand-eye calibration, which translates our sensors' 3D data to the robots, is simple and built into our sensors. Using our wide field of view Gocator 2490, along with our paired Blue Line 2440s on a robot arm, we are able to provide a comprehensive, inline, hand-to-eye robotic vision solution for gap and flush inspection.